students! Today, we are going to learn all about 5 short vowel sounds.
These are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. Can you say them with us?
A, E, I, O,
And
U.
Let's start with the short vowel sounds for A.
It sounds like A in cat. Say it with me.
A, cat.
Again.
A, cat.
E as in bed. I as in sit. O as in hop. U as in bug. Can you repeat it with me?
E as in bed. I as in sit. O as in hop. U as in bug.
Very good. Now, let's build some words together.
I will say a word and you repeat after me. Ready? Here we go! C-A-T. Cat. Say it with me. B-E-D. Bed. Great job. S-I-T. Sit. You're doing awesome. Give me words can make with a short A sound.
Bat, hat, rat.
That's correct. Very good. Can you think of any words with a short E sound? How about red, pen, and bed?
Yes, that word is sound.
It's time for a little story.
Listen carefully for the words with a short vowel sound.
Here we go. A little bug sat on a log. He liked to hop and jump and jog. He sat in a bed of mud and wiggled and wobbled with a thud. Can you point to any words with the short A sound
The set and the end.
or the short O sound?
The log, hop, jog, and the wobble.
Now it's your turn to write some short vowel words. Grab your paper and pencil. I'm going to say a word and you'll write it down, okay? Write the word hop. Now, write the word sit. Lastly, write the word bug. Wow, you are doing very amazing.
You did amazing today, students. Let's review. Can you say a word with letter A sounds?
Sat, bat, hat.
How about letter E sounds?
Bet, pet, jet.
I'm so proud of you for practicing your short vowel sounds today. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a vowel expert. What word can you find around your house or in a book with a short vowel sound? Keep exploring. And that concludes our lesson for today.
Until our next video.
Bye!